Hello, everybody. So today we're doing a pretty massive pack opening. I ended up getting in on a restock online at Walmart for Black Bolt, and I may have gone a little bit overboard. I also GameStop. I was able to get one poster collection this morning. Got there an hour and a half before opening, and still only got one poster collection. So tragic, I know, but hey, what are you gonna do? I was hoping to get White Flare ETB and Binder collection, so I had a little bit more White Flare to open, but we have 32 packs. Sorry, drinking my coffee. It's a little bit early. Um, we have 32 packs of or not White Flare. Um, of Black Bolt. Bang. So we went a little overboard, but hey. Poster collection had these bad boys. Snivy, Tepig, Oshawott, put those in sleeves and stuff. And the poster collection, of course, comes with a poster. So pretty cool. But we've got 2 White Flare packs and 32 Black Bolt. Yeah, I do have a favorite. I do have a favorite out of the set, but that's okay. Everybody's got their favorites, and I can't even open up the first pack. First, let me put on some music for TikTok. I don't care what you say. I'm playing Mac DeMarco. You are going to be held hostage and have to listen to Mac DeMarco, okay? But hey, you never know. We could pull the SIR. Oh wait, we actually do have something in this pack. There you go. Code card. Shelmet, Panseer, Oshawott, Patrat, Galvantula, Energy Retrieval, Sigilyph. Ooh, little Pokeball Tepig. I will take that. Woobat, and a regular rare Terrakion. Terrakion. I'm gonna jump off a bridge. Terrakion. Maybe I'm saying that right. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. But we'll put little Pokeball Tepig in his sleeve. Look at that card. Looks pretty good to me. Put him in a little penny sleeve. All right. Second White Flare pack. Hold up. Let's change the lighting real quick. There. I think I like the yellow lighting more. So our only other chance to pull the all white whatever you call it. Ducklet, Volibee, all white Reshiram, Gothita, Vanillux, Harlequin. We've got hooked full art Harlequin. So, oh, Master Ball Scraggy, and a full art Durant. Okay, we are not bad to start off the opening. Not bad at all. Master Ball Scraggy and a full art, an illustration rare Durant. Not bad at all. I will take those. We take those. Hey, those were the only 2 white packs that we had. We got Pokeball, Master Ball, and a illustration rare. I can't really be too mad about that, can I? Breaking out the top loaders early. That's a sick card. Look at that. Wait, I'm trying to get the glare off of it so y'all can see it a little bit better. Only 1 star, but still. Cool little illustration rare. He's got the underground fellas. Pretty dope. All right, now we're moving on to the real point of all of this. The 32 Black Bolt packs. There's a code card for you. Sandile, Servine, Antique Cover Fossil, Duosion, Tortuga. Oh, I see another ball back there. Unpheasant and Pokeball Thunderous and a full art Pidove. Damn, we are going back to back. What is going on? Are my packs juiced or what? I don't know about y'all. I usually put the Pokeball cards in just paint sleeve. That's Pokeball, yeah. Yeah. Thunderous looking at you if it'll focus. There you go. If I tilt it, you can actually see. There you go. And then the Pidove. Pretty dope card. Illustration rare, art rare, whatever you want to call it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Love me a good illustration rare. Okay, now the hardest thing is getting it into the top loader. Not bad, not bad, not bad. You can see that. Yeah. Look at that. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Oh, I just realized. Oh, Tree Monkey. What's good? We opening some packs. Getting some decent pulls so far. I'm only, what, 3 packs in? Be right back. All right. Code card. Got Larvesta, Sandile, Elegium, Minishu. Coming in with Red Skull. Why is that? Okay, whatever. Cryogonal. Pokegear, Pansage, Throw, and a Hollow Cobalion. Be right back. No. No. Don't start pulling out the 30 different accounts, Red Skull. Don't start pulling out the 30 accounts. Don't do it. Don't do it to him. Alright. Got a code card there for ya. Muna. Little Snivy. Vampor. Girder. Angry. Seismitoad. Cage Collins. Yo. Ends plan. I would love to pull the SIR ends plan. Escavalier. Oh! And we've got an illustration rare Petalil. Be right back. Is this... Are you just here to haunt me gonna start seeing you in my nightmares, Red Skull, Tree Monkey, Gage Collins, whatever alias you want to go by. Maybe. Y'all can get a better look at that. Pretty dope illustration where pillow with other flowers and stuff. That's pretty sick. I like that. And we did get a hollow Volcarona. What's good? What's good from the other account? Be right back. What will you do? Alright. We got code card. Code card for you. Then we got a Snivy. Pit of. A Fracture. Whirlipede. Musharna. Bro. Monkey Cheese. Fennel. XU. And another illustration where Tortuga. I love that card so much. And the Caracosa. You ever played Dead by Daylight? How much money you spent on packs? I got 6 binder collections that were about 180, I believe. I was able to snipe a restock. Very fun game. I would suggest you play Dead by Daylight. I would be down to play Dead by Daylight. I still have yet to play it, but that's one of my chases, the Tortuga. I love that. I love that artwork. So I am very happy with that. But bro, we're pulling illustration rare after illustration rare. What is my favorite game? Just like in general, or like favorite horror game? Because I have several favorite games. Because like favorite game all time might be what you giggling about, Monkey Cheese? What you giggling about? By the way, it's your main game, or usually any other games you play as well. I do know who you are, Monkey Cheese. Probably my main game, my main favorite game is Elden Ring, maybe Minecraft. Minecraft's gotta be up there all time. But Maractus, Elegim, Darumaka. Oh, I see something. Golurk, Scolipede, and Pokeball, Kabaru, and Prism Energy, and then a rare Cobalion. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad at all. Bro, we're getting hit after hit. I consider a Pokeball a hit. Blah. Offered or official. That's great. Have a good stream. Thank you. I appreciate it, Lily Morgan. I consider a Pokeball a hit. What are you giggling about? What are you giggling? Oh, I just hit the camera. All right, it's fine. What are you giggling about, Red Skull? Offered or official? So you're doing a job. Well, I guess this stream I didn't put in the title, but I have not played Santia's Home yet, but I will. I currently am, now get ready, it's a little bit of a bombshell, but I am suffering from a cancer diagnosis. So I currently am not working, but I am a fully online student because I've got chemo every 2 weeks for 5 days. So actually starting Monday this week, I won't be able to stream for 5 days. But so I'm doing streaming full time because of that. Because you can't really get a job if you end up getting going in and out of the hospital. How much money are you good? Yeah, I'm good. Currently treatments are going well. Seismotode, air balloon, poniard, and conquistador hollow. I'll take it. I'll take it. Do you have a favorite game? I'll pray for you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, it kind of came as a surprise to me. But happened like a while ago. And thank you, Lily Morgan. Do you have a favorite game? Amazing graphics. I said probably Elden Ring, uh, but it came as a surprise to me. I was in school and saw felt like a bump under my arm. Got diagnosed. At first, they thought it was lymphoma. Then it changed to diagnosis changed to Ewing sarcoma. Then I went to MD Anderson in Houston, and I got the diagnosis of DSRCT sarcoma, which is only in 200 cases per year since first discovered. I'm from the USA. Yes, I am from the US. Min Chow. Timber. Women. Here. I'll do the meme. Women. Which part of the US are you from? I am from South Carolina. Drill Bear, Temple, and Rare Hacksaws. From California. California. That's pretty cool. I do want to visit out California someday. It would be nice too. But eventually I want to live in Charleston, if you've ever heard of that city. Coffee. Here, let's skip the rest of the song. It's just there we go. Maractus Vampi, do you ever play? Actually, I've never played Valorant. Never got into it. I probably should play it. Reunculus, Bravery, Crocodile. Also, let me make sure the OBS. Oh my god. Why'd no one tell me the chat on OBS is so tiny? There we go. Are you trying to affiliate? Yes. I would like to get to affiliate. I've covered all my bases. I just need to start averaging 4 viewers a day for 4 days. Skyrim. I don't get money from the likes. Not yet. At least I don't think so. It's easy, $50 and 3. Yeah, I know. I just need to average 3 viewers. That's it. I average like 2 right now. So I'm barely off. We're kind of on a cold streak right now. Also, Skyrim. I have played Skyrim. I love Skyrim. Code card. Palpitoad. Clink. If your channel becomes affiliated, you can start earning on this platform, earning while you game. It's pretty cool. Yeah, exactly. I would love to. Amolga. I might start like watching the stream on multiple devices just to get up to affiliate. Bisharp. Crustle. Ins plan. Ooh, Pokeball Pit of. But to hit affiliate, you need cool identity and pro sub so people follow you. That becomes easy. The YouTube has actually been doing pretty well recently. Exadrill and a Hollow Energy. Exadrill EX. We finally hit a something. We're on a little dry streak there for a minute. I shared to 5 people. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Red Skull, Off-Road Official. I'll just call you by the name that you're using when you're using it. But I would suggest you play Valorant. Yeah, I should play Valorant. I think you can get your channel affiliated very soon. Yeah, I think so too. If I keep streaming the way that I'm streaming, then I should be able to hit affiliate, start earning, which would be nice. It just sucks because every 2 weeks I'm in the hospital, so I can't really stream. But chemo's not bad, so affiliation is very good. It is very good. Ponyard, Dynamo, XU, Snivy, Prism Energy, Electric, Lilligant, Girder, Tranquil, and a Beartic Hollow. Hit a little dry streak, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, we still have plenty of packs, but we're kind of running dry. I'm back. Nice. Got the code card. Oh, there. Play FPS game like PUBG, CSGO. I used to play a little bit of PUBG when it was like really big, but I kind of stopped. Temple. I have played a little bit of CSGO. Dormatan, Braviary. I played Night Rain. Mainly, I don't play a whole lot of FPS games. Antique Cover Fossil, and a Hollow Landorus, and a Hollow Basic Water Energy. But the only first person shooter game I got into a lot was what do you call it? Are you tried? Did you say tried to Souls games? I have tried Souls games. I've beaten Elden Ring like 7 times. So I have played quite a few Souls games, and I beat what do you call it? Shadow of the Erdtree. Dwebble, Palpitoad, Among Us, evil card. Aloe Mamala, Reuniclus, and a Pokeball, Hollow Clinking, Hollow Fighting Energy. Which days do you mostly stream? I try to stream daily, but if I don't stream daily, then it's every other day. But I try and pump out a stream daily. Sometimes 2 streams in a day. Take a Pokeball. Let's be the other one she knows. Which games do I mostly stream? I stream a lot of horror games. Like I try and find indie horror games to play. That's the main chunk of it. Is that gonna focus? Code card. Okay, well, it's gonna have to work with that. Servine, Rufflet. Stream a lot of horror games. I was streaming Night Rain a lot. Diagonal, Electric, Musharna, Petilil, Cryogonal, and a Hollow Victinia, Hollow Water Energy. Neither does the clock. Got Cloud Lights, that's sick. Ever played World of Warcraft? I have not. I've heard a lot about it, but I've never played it. Temple. Also, Red Skull Cloud Lights are sick. Timber, one guy I knew in college, he was using some for a while in his room, and I always thought they were pretty cool. Crocodile and Pokeball Panpour. Snivy. Hollow Cobalion. Our Discord, we support small streamers. Yeah, sure. I'll join it. There's a code card for you. Drop your Discord username. I'll add you. I think it's like Matt W. If you want to drop yours, I'll add you. I just don't like dropping my Discord in chat. Long username, but I'll add it. Probably after stream. I'll add it. Want to get through the stream first. 300 feet of red light. LED lights. I can't read. 300 feet of LED lights for $20. That's pretty dope. All right. I'll send you a friend request after stream. Pit of Fracture, Whirlipede, Dynamo, Energy Coin, Excavalier, Cincino, Haxorus, Rufflet, and a Hollow Volcarona. Still not getting too many hits. For $20, you get 300 feet of lights. That's crazy. Good value though. Okay, I think we're hitting close to the halfway mark, but we have hit a dry streak. Like we're in the desert right now. Not pulling a damn thing. There's a code card. Girder, Servine, XU, Cupchew, Among Us, Alamola, Reuniclus, Duosion, Petalil, and Hollow Caracasa. Could be a mod. Send me friend requests now, please. Fine. Once I get bigger and actually need mods, then I'll probably make you mod. On Twitch, I mean. Alright. I sent you a friend request. Are you happy now, Lily Morgan? Make me a mod for me, your channel. For your channel. I mean, I don't really need mods right now. It's a code card. When it lets me, I'll give you 4 tiny dinos. Hell yeah. Larvesta. Lang. Cubchew. Pidove. Energy Coin. Electros. Crustle. Among Us, Conquador, and a Hollow Landorus. Still have yet to get anything decent. I mean, we've gotten some illustration rares that I really like, but nothing crazy. You're my server, feel free to join it. All right. I see something. It's probably a regular EX, but could be something big. Fungus, Tranquil, Dwebble, Palpitoad, Reuniclus, Braviary, Crocodile, Tortuga, Ends Plan, and another Excadrill EX. We're getting dupes. This type / mod and Twitch username on your Twitch chats. I just don't need a mod right now. That's all. I mean, once I need mods, then I'll look into it. But like, there's not really any point for me to have mods right now. We're still pretty dry right now. So I don't know why, but it's hot as shit in my house right now. Code card, will it? Okay. That's gonna be the best it's gonna do. Antique cover fossil. Duosion. By the way, I have a suggestion before you go for it. Tynamo. Drill burr. Air balloon. Bisharp. Crustle. XU. Servine. And another Hollow Thunderous and a Hollow Basic Unlisted Leaf Energy. If y'all have ever seen Unlisted Leaf. We're in a dry spell right now. We cannot pull a damn thing. So why? Oh. I'm just being dumb. Mink. Pit of Fracture. Whirlipede. Tynamo. Excalibur. Cinchino. Electric Aim. Master Ball. Girder. Clang. Bro, I swear, if I pull another Excadrill, I'm going to jump off a bridge. Have a look in your Discord and reply me. I saw what you said. You said you had a suggestion, I believe. We'll put the Master Ball in a top loader. Find some more upbeat music. Maybe that's the problem. You know what? We're listening to some house music. All right. All right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we're like barely halfway through. Can I show you an example of professional displays? Sure. Code card. Poniard. Minccino. Fungus. Cupchew. Insplan. Lilligant. Reuniclus. Pansage. Darumaka. And another Hollow Landorus. I swear. We just keep pulling the Hollow Weather Trio, I guess, is what they're called. You know, I'm going to be back in 30 or 1 hour. All right. Stream may be over by then. I cannot guarantee. Because I have like 12, 13 packs left. Code card. Darumaka. Petalil. Rufflet. Solacis. Fennel. Crocodile. Behemoth. A Master Ball Beartic. And I got excited. Another Hollow Landorus. I saw like the art of it going out more, and I was like, oh shit, this might be something crazy. Getting Can I open up the top loader? That's the question. There we go. There you go. Master ball. We take those. Camera does not want to focus on it, but it's there. We got it. All right, we have maybe 10 packs left. We're 2/3 of the way through, and we honestly have been doing pretty bad. So. All right. Venipede, Maractus, Elgium, Darumaka, Electros, Beheum, Professor's Research, Clink, Whirlipede, and a Hollow Caracasa. Have a look. Okay, I'll look later. Have a monstrous pile of fodder cards over to the left of me. Bum, 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 bum. We gotta pull something soon, right? Good card. Carblast, Gullet, Pawnyard, Dynamo, Bisharp, Tortuga, Reuniclus, Venipede, Energy Coin, and a Hollow Electric Energy and Hollow Klinkling. We are not pulling a damn thing. We're running low on packs. There's code card. I'll change the music again. Maybe that's what it is. The music needs to change. We'll listen to, we'll listen to Lofty. Clang! Solacis. Aldino. Venipede. Semipore. Unpheasant. Prism Energy. Minchino. I'm waiting. I'll do it after stream. Duocean. And a Hollow Victini and a Hollow Dark Energy. And a reckless fever, love struck girl, I tease her. Oh, I never please her like the job you've done on me, sir. In hosting parties, my mind, I'm working overtime to have you in my world. I see something. Probably regular EX, but Duocean, Dynamo, Drillbur, Pawnyard, In's Plan, Lilligant, Reuniclus, Girder, Sandile, and Kyurem EX. We'll take those. We take those. I would like the SIR Kyurem EX, but hey. Beggars can't be choosers. We were looking for a hit, and it gave us one. So. We gotta pull something. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Another, I believe that's another Kyurem EX. Fracture, Venipede, Servine, Rufflet, Electric, Lilligant, Alamomala, Scolipede. Oh! Yes! Let's go! Insplane! SIR, baby. That's what I like to see. And we have a Kyurem EX. Oh my god. Get this card in a top loader right now. Woo! This was one of my big chases. I really wanted this card. And it's like one of my favorite characters in the Pokemon universe, so. Bro, that's such a sick card. Look at him. Let's go. Look at that. That is so hype. That is so hype. Oh, and we have the Kyurem EX. I forgot about that. Bro, I was feeling something had to come on. Something. And we finally got something. Here, also, I think I put, yeah, Drillbur EX in the regular rare pile. Ins Plan SIR. Such a dope card. We're drinking some coffee of that. We've got 5 packs left. So hype. So hype. Black Bolt. Oh my god, I'm so happy we pulled that. Ins Plan SIR. Okay, I thought I saw something black back there. But it was just a code card. Dynamo, Drillbur, Pawniard, Minchino, Musharna, Throw, Fennel, Simisage, Dwebble, and a Hollow Victini. Not too bad. Yo, I'm happy now. We pulled the Turtoga illustration rare, and now we have the Ins Plan SIR. And that's such a sick card. Such a sick card. Code card. Minchino, Clang, Solacis, Aldino, Cryogonal, Golurk, Energy Coin, Pokeball, Volcarona. Oh! Illustration rare Musharna. That's a pretty dope card. I like that. I like that card a lot. Let focus. Is it gonna focus? No. There we go. Musharna. And another Exadrill, dude. I cannot get away from the Exadrills. Alright, let's get this hoe into a top loader. We got 3 packs left, so honestly the Ins Plan made it worth it. SIR Ins Plan. Oh wait, I forgot. No, this is a illustration rare. It does not need to go in the other pile. Probably me on Discord after stream. Okay, will do. Dope card. Musharna. Pokeball Volcarona. And I don't know how many Excadrills we've pulled, but it's a lot. It's ridiculous. We'll do a recap of at the end of everything. Shit, that put that in the wrong pile. Okay, 3 packs left. Can we pull something crazy? Another SIR, maybe? Only pulled 1 SIR in 3 packs, which I think is like that's about average. But code card. All right, what we got? Girder, Fungus, Larvesta, Sandile, Braviary, Cryogonal, Electric, Sandile, Tranquil, and a Volcarona regular rare. We'll take it. See something shining back there, but before we get to that, code card. Rufflet, Darmako, Solacis, Temple, Simipour, Crocodile, Behem, Temple, Haxorus, and a regular rare Cobalion with a shiny fighting energy. By the way, your stream quality is really good. You deserve a follow. I appreciate that. Thanks for the follow, Legally Morgan. I actually just got a new camera for the pack opening. All right, last pack magic, baby. Last pack magic. Can we get something? Here's a code card. Duosion, Dynamo, Temple, Petalil, Bisharp, Prism Energy, Electric, Scolipede, Drillbur, and a Hollow Landorus. All right. We got 1 SIR. I don't know what the pull rates are if we went over or under, but let's see. What was the pull rates on here? Let's see. Did we go over or under? Did we go over or under? SIR 1 in 80 packs. So you ever played Diablo? I have not played Diablo. 1 6 packs is the SIR rate, which we had 32 packs and we got let me take the master balls out here. Okay, so we had 32 packs. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 6 is 30. So yeah. And the special illustration rare ends plan. That is a sick card. I love that. And the Master Ball foils are actually rare, 1 in 19 packs, and we pulled 3 of those. So we went over, and black white rares are unknown rarities. Let's see. Ends Clan Black Bolt. This card is going for $80, $100. We'll round it up to 100. Because it looks like centering is a little bit chopped. Front looks good. I don't see any scuffs or anything. Any print errors. So, looks pretty good. Let's look up these other ones. So we've got Durant 150. Okay. What we got? Almost $10. Card looked nice. I appreciate it. Pit of 148. 15. So 7, we'll call it 8. 15. That's 23. $10. So 7, 8. So 21 plus 10, 31. If you're free now, please check Discord. Okay, I will in a second. 31. $31.45. $52. $58. Uh, 64. And 71 plus 100. 171 plus these. I'd say we about broke even. So, pretty good. And Lily Morgan, I will check the Discord afterwards. But overall, pretty solid pack opening, if I do say so myself. Not bad at all. Wish we could pull a little bit more, but that ends plan saved it. That ends plan saved it easily. Anyways, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll probably won't do any Pokemon openings for a little while because I'll be in the hospital, but hopefully I'll be able to get out soon. And I've got a lot of stuff coming in the mail, so I'll do one big opening. Maybe I'll do one like solid opening. When I get out of the hospital, I think next Saturday. So I go in on Monday morning. So I'll still be pumping out some good games and stuff to play, some horror games, stuff like that. Maybe some stuff on HIO I find. But anyways, good polls. Let me know what y'all think. But overall, I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.